We are going to compare two sizes of birds in the story Color Birds. Let's open and look at the first one. This is a big red bird, and this is a small red bird. Okay, so we have big and small, or you can say big and little, or you can say huge and tiny. Whatever works. We're going to talk about our opposites. Okay, let's turn the page. We have a big orange bird on this page, and on this card, we have a small orange bird. So this bird is big and this bird is small. Okay, let's turn the page. We have a big yellow bird, and on this card, we have a small yellow bird. Okay, let's turn the page. We have a big green bird, and on this card, we have a small green bird. On this page, we have a big blue bird, and on this card, we have a small blue bird. Big, small, huge, tiny. Okay, let's match. On this page, we have a big purple bird, and on this card, we have a small purple bird. Oh, and on this page, we have a big rainbow bird. And on this card, we have a small rainbow bird. Look at all the feathers. Even the feathers are big and small. The end. We finished comparing sizes and working on our opposites, big and small, or big and little. We finished.